So, what have we been doing this weekend, Charlie?
So we've done climbing, we've done some group activities with the other units. We've done a walk in the rain and it was horrible because it was tipping down, but it was alright because it kind of dried up in the hall. We did a fashion, what's it called?
Fashion show.
A fashion show, and yeah, and Max was superb and I really rate him, and like any Gucci models want to sign him up, yeah, I definitely agree.
So Joe, what have we been doing this weekend?
This weekend we've been making friends with the other unit in the South Wales, doing a bit of climbing, generally having a good time.
Nice.
I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to find out more about our Adventure to Jamboree and follow our story, or if you want to be part of our story, give us a like on Facebook, a follow on Twitter, or subscribe down below.